7 Newmar Dutch Star 4324 for sale in Iowa City, Iowa 52246. Spread your wings and fly with this 2007 Newmar Dutch Star 4324. This Class A motorhome is 43 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Cummins diesel pusher engine mated with an automatic Allison transmission that offers an impressive 400 horsepower. This RV has 4 slide-outs, 1 awning and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera, power mirrors, power leveling system and captain's chairs. With only 65,816 miles, you can rest assured that this Newmar will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2007 Newmar Dutch Star 4324 is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include Spartan chassis, great cooking area with 3-burner stove and large microwave/convection oven, OvenNorco 4-door, refrigerator/freezer/icemaker/water dispenser, double kitchen, SinkDinette with chair, SeatingLivingroom, TelevisionSurround, SoundDVD/CD/StereoDirecTv antenna and receiver-leather sofa, SleeperShowerWasher/dryer, IncludedMaster, king-size BedMaster, TelevisionLarge, Vanity 1 outside, TelevisionSlide-Out outside, refrigerator/freezer by entrance, DoorNew, Toyo tires 3 years ago, 6 new coach batteries 3 years ago, lots of storage in bays and cabinets and so much more. This 2007 Newmar Dutch Star 4324 is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Newmar is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2007 Newmar Dutch Star 4324.